Hi everyone. Want to find great images and produce outstanding drawings? Then this video is for you. I'll show you 3 ways to combine elements from various photographs to create fun, interesting and unique compositions. Your friends will be amazed. Stick around for a bonus at the end. I'll show you an artist who will inspire your creativity. So I've combined these 2 totally different items, a head and an orange, and combining them like this, it's called juxtaposing, and it's a very interesting device in art. And it's not necessarily the finished product. This probably would stimulate you to do something totally different to what you would normally do, so it stretches your imagination. Okay, well, let's go over to this quiet little high school scene, students happily studying away, and we'll see what we can do to just liven up their day a little bit. So I hope you enjoy this picture here, putting this scary image against these innocent young school kids. But it's just demonstrating really how effective it can be. And of course, I'm exaggerating to make a point here, but you can do it more subtly, or you can do it as much as you want. But it's to put 2 images which are not similar, this idea of juxtaposition. Let's talk about this bigger picture, which I'm going to focus on now. And I really enjoyed doing the carriage, selecting a figure out of the carriage in the crowd. And I really want to focus on these 3 here. I want to focus on the woman who's looking at her cell phone, and I want to focus on this as well, but I'm not going to draw these. I'm going to show you something else. We've got these figures placed, and it's quite an interesting relationship. But I don't want to draw these figures. I want to draw some other figures, and that's a little something for later on. You'll find out just how I turn it around. But these figures are useful for position and for the seating arrangement and the pose. But I'm going to draw something quite different, and I've got another photograph which I'll show you a little later, which demonstrates just what you can do. The scope for imagination is phenomenal with this system. Okay, look, I'm not going to take these guys any further. That's all I needed. I just want to have just where the placement of the figures are. So no need to worry about any further detail. You can see the proportions of this guy against this one and so forth. Well, teddy bears are a pretty good subject, and they fit in nicely here. Just get the size. Just draw it really rough. There's a couple of nice. I love this. It's so cute, this one. And I could pinch that idea. Maybe have this guy, he can be the little brother. And just put him in here. I want to have, if that's the case, if we use this book, which is a cute idea, I see it as kind of a kind of counter reference to the use of the cell phones that they were all using. Well, I hope this video gave you some help in your own artwork. So in this video, I wanted to show you how to select different photos and transform them into really unique drawings by selecting an image from one and an image from another photograph, putting those two images together and coming up with something which is a bit fun, a bit creative, a bit interesting, and a bit haven't seen that sort of thing before for a while. So I hope it was helpful. It's a fantastic system to wake up your creativity and give you ideas. So just ordinary things like an orange and a girl's face put together, it becomes something weird and strange and great. Or this very simple classroom scene with the students in the classroom working hard, and suddenly we put this big bear outside and it changes the dynamics completely. Or in this one, I wanted to show you how we could, use the two figures that were originally here. So these two figures are used for the placement and the position and just the sort of space that they would take up in relation to this woman, but change them into teddy bears and find some teddy bear images and put them in, and what a great way to tell a story. So the possibilities for this system are unending. So I hope it was helpful for you, and please, if you did like it, could you like and subscribe, and especially leave a comment and tell me. This is the second in this series of using this, so maybe check out the other video that I've got. I think it'll be really interesting for you. So thank you very much, and see you in the next video.